The key members are Iran, Russia and China. China remains a top oil buyer and a neutral mediator.
Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway between Iran and Oman, connecting Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman.
PM Modi has spoken to both PM Netanyahu and Gulf leader condemning attack on the sovereignty.
Good morning, respected teachers, dignitaries, and dear friends. Today we are going to discuss one of the most critical global issues, the ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran. However, to truly understand this conflict, we must go back to October 2023 when the Hamas attack on Israel triggered the Gaza war. This war expanded gradually into regional parts and on the global stage. Direct confrontation involving Iran. This war is not a regional issue, but it became a global concern affecting energy, economy, and geopolitics. Let me introduce our panelists. Panelist first, Ojashvi, background and evolution of the war. Panelist second, Ankita and Aditi, global alliance and role of USA. Panelist third, Mahi, economic and energy impact. Panelist fourth, Karishma, India's strategic approach and response. Let's begin. Panelist first, Ojashvi.
Thank you, moderator. I think instead of asking what is happening, we should ask a more important question: why is this happening? Because calling this a sudden conflict is honestly misleading. Conflicts like this don't appear overnight. They are built slowly through decisions, alliances, and power struggle. It intensified on October 2023 when Hamas launched a large-scale attack on Israel. Israel responded with a major military operation in Gaza. But this is where it becomes more complex. The conflict didn't remain between just two parts. With Iran's support for groups like Hezbollah and rising tension across regions like Yemen and Lebanon, what began as a conflict turned into a wider regional pattern. And I think that's the key point. It is not just about one event, but about continuous cycle of escalation over time. Because if we only look at the event, we see the surface. If we understand the pattern, we see the reality.
Panelist second, Ankita and Aditi.
This conflict is deeply influenced by global power politics, especially the role of the United States. The USA is the strongest supporter of Israel. Its role includes providing advanced weapons and defense systems, sharing intelligence, deploying military forces in the Middle East. In the current war, the USA has conducted joint or supportive strikes against Iran, protected Israel from missile attacks, increased naval presence in the region. On the other hand, Iran is supported by Hezbollah, Houthi rebel, Syria, strategic backing from Russia and China. Because of USA involvement, the conflict risks becoming a wider international confrontation, not just a regional war.
Now we will discuss the major global alliances and their roles. The first group is the Western Zionist Axis. The key members are Israel, USA, UK and Germany. Their role includes direct military action, weapon supply, intelligence sharing, cybersecurity, and diplomatic backing in international organizations like UN. The second group is the Triad. The key members are Iran, Russia, and China. China remains a top oil buyer and a neutral mediator. Russia provides diplomatic cover and technology. Russia is also using the situation to challenge the Western geopolitical influence of Western powers. The third group is the proxies. The key members are Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Gaza. They are engaged in active combat and direct military actions such as rocket strikes, missile attacks, propaganda campaigns, and psychological warfare. Lebanon is currently facing a limited Israeli ground attack. The fourth group is the neutral or pragmatic. The key members are India, UAE, and Saudi Arabia. They are focusing on de-escalation and maintaining diplomatic relations with both sides. They are focusing on humanitarian aid and regional stability, energy security, and prioritizing trade routes. UAE or Saudi Arabia have been hit by spillover Iranian strike. They are advocating ceasefire and humanitarian aid. They are also focusing on energy security, regional stability, and Saudi Arabia have been hit over by Iranian strikes.
Panelist third, Mahi.
One of the most critical aspects of the conflict is Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway between Iran and Oman, connecting Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman. It is the world's most important energy checkpoint. Since 28 February, Iran has virtually blocked the strait. This disrupted roughly 20% of the global oil and LNG. Due to rising tension and possible blockade, oil supply is decreased, shipping risk is disrupted, and fuel become expensive. For countries like India, economic growth slows, inflation rises, and fuel become expensive. On March 19, 2026, US military began a campaign to forcibly reopen the strait. The Indian Navy has launched Operation Urja Suraksha to encounter these tankers to the war zone. The peace agreement between Iran and US has been not established, so Iran has blocked Hormuz with everyone. So the real impact of these wars are not just on battlefield but in real life impact.
Panelist 4, Karishma.
India is in a very sensitive and strategic position. Energy security. India imports 80% of its total oil. The closure of Hormuz will send price skyrocketing, causing cost-push inflation in India. The Finance Ministry's March 2026 review warns a significant hit to the growth and physical balance due to freight and insurance costs. Diplomatic policy. India follows principal neutrality. PM Modi has spoken to both PM Netanyahu and Gulf leader condemning attack on the sovereignty and refusing to join Western-led sanctions on Iran. India's priority is the safety of 10 million nationals living in the Gulf.
Thank you for those insights. Panelist second, considering a strong involvement of United States, do you think this conflict expand into a larger global war?
Yes, that risk definitely exists. Whenever a superpower like USA is directly involved, the chance of escalation increase. And if countries like Russia or China become more actively involved, this could turn into a major power political conflict scenario.
Panelist third, how serious the threat is related to Strait of Hormuz?
It is extremely serious. If the strait is blocked, prices will surge, many economies face recession, and the oil supply may drop sharply. It is the world's most sensitive geopolitical point.
To conclude, the United States plays a major role increasing global stakes. This conflict starts with October 2023 Gaza war. The Strait of Hormuz is the most critical economic point. India is maintaining its balanced and strategic approach. Let's hope for peace and stability in the region. Thank you.